In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or delete agents in Freshdesk, ensuring best practices are followed to safeguard ticket history and contributions. Sometimes, you may find it necessary to prevent an agent from accessing the Freshdesk system, and there are two main ways to do this. Let's start by exploring the first option. The recommended approach for preserving history is to deactivate an agent. To begin, navigate to the Admin section. From there, click on Team and then select Agents. Once you're on the Agents page, find the specific agent you wish to deactivate. Next to their name, you'll see a More icon, typically represented by 3 dots. Click on this icon and select Deactivate from the drop-down menu. You'll need to confirm this action. Deactivated agents will no longer be able to log into the system. It's important to note that any open or pending tickets assigned to them will be moved to the unassigned queue. However, all their contributions, such as tickets and articles they have worked on, will remain intact and available in the system. An added advantage of this method is the flexibility it offers. You can reactivate these agents at any time. When you do, they'll receive an activation email. If your system doesn't have a license available at that moment, they can be added as an occasional agent. The second method involves permanently deleting an agent. Begin similarly by heading to the Admin section, clicking on Team, and then selecting Agents. Locate the agent you want to delete and click on the More icon beside their name, then choose Delete and confirm your action. Once an agent is deleted, they are automatically converted into a contact within your account. This is an irreversible change in status, so make sure it aligns with your intentions. All tickets that had been assigned to this agent will be placed back into the unassigned queue, allowing other team members to pick them up. It's also crucial to ensure that any unresolved tickets are reassigned to another agent before you go through with the deletion to maintain smooth operations. Rest assured, the articles and replies authored by the deleted agent will stay visible and intact as they remain a part of your helpdesk's knowledge base. In closing, choosing between deactivating and permanently deleting an agent depends on your specific needs, but keep these guidelines in mind to ensure a seamless transition and protect your helpdesk's valuable data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on managing your Freshdesk system effectively.